Hope you are able to hear me and you are able to see my screen, right? Just confirm me. You can start this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's great. Yes.
So we are good for this receipt types of receipts related. Now let's coming for today's one more business suits from the procurement. Self-service procurement. Self-service procurement. So one of the important topics, self-service procurement. But it's a very rare to implement it for the businesses. Anyway, we'll see for that. Right. Even if business is ready to implement, we need to implement on this. Okay. So we need to see for here. Now let's go. Self-service procurement. Self-service procurement basically in the record is going on. Yeah. Self-service procurement is basically using for their employees related if any requirement material is there. Any required items are for their office purpose. Right. So, for example, an accountant is working. They need some material. What type of material is requirement for accountant? Printout, printers, papers, right? Some pens related. Okay. So in such a scenario, how this employee can create a requisitions on getting the material from the suppliers? Right. This type of materials related requirements, no approvals, nothing. See, if any approvals also there, they need some agreements. Based on that agreements, supplier will supply the material for the stationery related items or any service related request. For example, their employee's AC is not working. Employee want to create a AC related service. Okay, in such a scenario, how this employee can create a requisitions by using this application? What functionality is supported for their requirements? Their requirements supporting functionality is self-service procurement. Self-service procurement. Under this self-service procurement, a lot of functionalities are there. The self-service procurement is created by the requisitions are created by the catalogs. There is a different types of catalogs, right? There is a local catalog, punch out catalog, information catalog. Side by using these three catalogs also, the requester or employee can create a requisitions, right? Smart form. By using the smart form also, the employee can create a requisitions. Okay, shopping list. There is one more shopping list. Shopping list also, the employee can create a requisitions. Okay, so let's see one by one for the self-service procurement related, how the employees can get their requirement material by creating the requisitions following the self-service procurement module. Okay, so let's connect it to the application. Today's topic is self-service procurement. So in this self-service procurement, so let's create a task. Let's create a task. First task is, what is the first task? Catalog category hierarchy. What is this catalog category hierarchy? So catalog, create catalog category hierarchy. So what is this catalog category hierarchy? Okay. So catalog category hierarchy means, for example, when you are, let me show you a simple example. Let's go to the Amazon online shop. Amazon online shop. Now I am searching HP laptop. HP laptop generation, this one. Okay, if I am query this item and I'm selecting this item, right? There is a category catalog hierarchy is there. You can see here catalog category hierarchy. Catalog category hierarchy. Mobile and computers and accessories. Computers and accessories is the catalog. Right. Laptop is the browsing category. Traditional laptops is the item category. Under this traditional laptops, this item is the item. Right here, computer and accessories is the catalog. Laptop is the browsing catalog. This browsing catalog is containing the item catalog. This item catalog is containing the items. Why browsing catalog is required? So the browsing catalog is containing with multiple item categories. Multiple item categories. Right. For example, let's open these laptops. We'll see under these laptops, there is a multiple categories. Where is that? Laptops. 2-1 in laptop, traditional laptops. Right. Pricing laptops under 20,000. Right. If I'm selecting HP brand, all the HP brand related laptops are displayed here. Okay. So they are selecting this laptop and adding to the cart or buy it directly. Anything. Right. So the catalog category hierarchy is supported for the functionality of browsing catalog. So previously for catalog creation, we know about that only catalog, category, and items. Catalog is containing with categories. Categories are containing to the items. But in between of item and item category and catalog, there is a browsing catalog. Right. This browsing catalog is supported for the self-service procurement related functionality level, where the employees can easily selecting their items by browsing for their requirements and selecting requirement items. Okay, how to create this? So before going to creating browsing catalog, okay, so let me create one item. Okay, let me create one item. Okay, simple. See, self-service procurement related implementation. What role is required? Okay, this is very important. Okay, so first of all, add user role for implementation of SSP. What is user role? Security console, very important. Security console. Right, under security console, add a user account. Procurement catalog administrator. What is that? Procurement catalog administrator. The first one. Right, we know the theory. This self-service procurement is basically using for the employees what they need, any requirement material. They created this self-service procurement requisitions by following the catalog functionality. Right. If catalog functionality enabled on the application level, so what dashboard is enabled? I'll show you. It's SCM June 01. Edit, add row. What is that? Procurement. Procurement catalog administrator. Add this row. Procurement catalog administrator. This is the rule. Right. After this, let's provide the data access. Provide data access to user account. Right. So where we can provide the data access? Business unit data access. Sorry.
So this SCM June 01, the user is already exist. You are using
Yeah,
that for the demo.
it's already existed. I'm using same user. I'm adding the role for implementation of this one, a self-service procurement. Okay, so let's go to the second one. Let's go to the organization. Okay, data access for user account. Click on this, select event. So what is the business unit? ES1. SCM June 01. Procurement application administrator. Procurement catalog administrator. Right. Security contested business unit. Yes. Save. Now run one Zelda program. You can submit. If it is not running, no problem. Right, from the organization. Main is data access. Main is business unit data access. Okay, so now it's completed. Data access is complete. What is the next task? The next task is immediately let's go and create one item. So before catalog category hierarchy, let's create one item. Create item. Okay, so what item? Let's take a printer. Okay, so printer. Use here HP printer. HP printer. This is the printer. Okay, let's use any printer. So what is that? Computer accessories. Prints, links, accessories is the browsing category. Printers is the item category. Inkjets. So you can use leaf categories also. Let's first one is computer and accessories, the catalog. Computer and accessories. Instead of computer and accessories, what I'm using is purchasing catalog. Okay, let's go on. Why I'm using purchasing catalog, I'll tell you. Okay, let's go to the product management, product information management. Under this, create item. Now I'm taking, what is the item name? HP printer. Directly take HP printer. No 14 series, no. Or else HP printer. Right. This is the item. Create. So from the specifications, okay, a lot of things are there. Please follow in for one by one. So from the purchasing, this is the purchasable item, and the purchasing price is I'm giving $100. Okay, and associate this item to inventory organization. What inventory is processing for 001. Right now, same. So what is the next one? The next one is let's create a catalog and category. Create catalog and category. So where we can create a category and catalog from the setup and maintenance, product management level. We already know this, right? Right. So from the product management, item catalog, under this catalog, manage functional area catalog. That's right. Manage functional area catalog. So click on this. Okay. So instead of creating catalog, I am using purchasing catalog. Why? Because purchasing catalog. This purchasing catalog is associated already purchasing related functional area. We cannot associate multiple catalog to the purchasing catalogs. Right. So that is the reason I am following same catalog is a purchasing catalog. So please follow for this. If you create a new catalog, the system is not getting catalog from requisition page. Purchasing is the catalog. Right. Purchasing is the catalog.
We have to take the existing ones always.
Yeah, I'm taking existed one. Okay. Why? Because there is a lot of conditional related attributes which is associated to the purchasing.
But what
Right.
about in general in function in client places?
No, in the client places, you don't get these all things, right? You don't have any seeded, right? Here, what happened? They are associating functional area. I cannot remove this. For example, let's take remove. The catalog is already assigned the functional area purchasing. You cannot, so in the real time, you cannot get this purchasing, right? You can create your catalogs.
Yeah, that's what my question is. Okay.
Yeah. Now, so this is the purchasing. Under this purchasing, let's create our category. What is our category? Now you can create your category under this. What category? Laptops. Laptops is the category. Let's use. Okay, click on create. I'm giving HP laptops. Why? Because laptops if already is there, you cannot create it again for the same category. Now I'm using HP category. HP laptops. This is category. Category. Okay. So click on here, create. Now HP laptop. Already item is created, right? Let's click on here and associate item to this HP laptop. What is our item? HP laptop. HP smart somebody is right created one. What is our item? HP printer. HP item. Just save and close. Click on done. Let's go to the item level and associate this catalog and category to item. From here, manage items. To item class. HP laptop. Right, HP printer. So this is the printer, not a laptop. Okay, click on this. Let's go to the category. So here instead of purchasing, use category as the HP laptop. HP laptop. Now the catalog is, we are using catalog is a purchasing, right? You see, we are using catalog is purchasing. Now save and close. Okay, click on it. Now we are creating catalog and category. Where is browsing catalog? Where we can create a browsing catalog? The browsing catalog. Laptops, for example, laptop is browsing catalog. Let's take a computers and accessories, then browsing catalog. Okay, where I can create that. So we can create that from the catalog functionality. In the procurement, there is a catalog dashboard survey. You will see here catalog. Click on this catalog. Let's create a catalog category hierarchy. So this is what the self-service procurement implementation is going on here, right? So you'll see here catalogs, information catalog, shopping list, right? So a lot of things are there. Okay. So from here, click on manage catalog category hierarchy. This one, use this. Create browsing catalog. The browsing catalog is created from here. Category. Okay. So click on this. So what is our browsing catalog? Let's take a computer and accessories. Computer and accessories. Any image URL? Use same image URL. Copy the image address. Populate here. Okay. Save on it. Computer and accessories. This one only, right? Computer and accessories. Okay. Browsing catalog. Computer and accessories. Okay. This is the browsing catalog. So we'll see computer and accessories. So click on here, featured category. So if you click on the feature category, this category is displayed on the requisition page. Okay. Now this is the browsing catalog. You can see here, browsing category. Right. Where I can add the item category to this browsing category. First catalog, browsing catalog, item category, item, items. Right. So this is a browsing category. Okay. Click on this. Click on insert item category. So what is our item category? HP laptop. Click on this, apply and done. So immediately I'm getting HP laptops. Why I'm getting HP laptops here? Because my functional area is purchasing. Okay. So click on here. Now you'll see HP laptops. These HP laptops are containing the items. Okay. Click on here and click on done. Now refresh. So if you want to maintain further relation whenever the purchasing material for this HP laptop, so I want to maintain some agreement. Let's create a one BPA agreement. BPA agreement, right, by using this item. Okay, where we can create agreement. We already know how to create agreements, right? So let's go to the agreements. It's optional. If you want to create, you can create. Otherwise, it's not requirement. But anyway, let's create agreement also. If anybody is asking, we need to associate this agreement. Okay, manage agreements, purchase agreements. Click on this. Okay, click on here. Okay, blanket purchase agreement. Who is the supplier? Let's take ABC Concern, ABC Bank. Okay, agreement amount is release amount is fine. We see BHL payer law, buyer manager transportation debit. Right. I'm taking this agreement for laptops related. Laptop, not printers, computer and accessories. So what is our description? Computer and accessories category. Right. So the business is using without item. Right. So what is our category? HP laptops. All right. Use that. Supplier item is same. Accessories. UOM is each. Okay. And price is 10. Just any computer accessories or anything. And just giving. If you want to override this price at the time of creation purchase order, we can override. Okay. If any discounts or anything, if you need to require, click on the edit option. Right, under this edit option, override the pricing. Right, allow the item description update if need. So if any specific item under this, we can add a specific item also. Right, or else system is following the category, this category. Okay, so long description regarding for this item. Right, long description. You want to maintain this long description. Maintain this long description. What is the supplier image URL? Supplier image URL. Okay, this is the image URL. Manufacturing image URL, same. Image URL, same. Right, URL. So based on that URL, system is display the image. Attachment, any attachment URL is the same. Okay, so wherever the URL is there, we'll use that same. Okay, so click on sorry, my internet is immediately disconnected. Hope you are able to hear me and you are able to see my screen, right? Just confirm me.
Really, I'm asking the question previously. This agreement you are creating for the item, printer item agreement or general agreement?
It's a general for all the categories of HP laptops.
Oh, okay.
HP laptop is comes, the price is this, and we can override this price at the time of purchase order. Okay, so we already know the item related BPA, right? Just try with the category related. Okay, multiple test cases. Okay, click on OK. Now controls. Under this control, use sales order price, allow side, gain, liquidation, becomes. Okay, so click on validate and submit. Now address. Just check the approvals and submit this. And once it is open, use this agreement and create a local catalog. Just a minute. Just a minute. self-approval, submit this. So once it is submitted, right, agreement number is generated. This is the agreement. So this is the agreement. Okay. So after this, what we need to do? Right, there is a item is there, item category is there, browsing category is there, catalog is there. For that item related agreement is there. Can we create directly for the requisition? No. So for the self-service procurement, we need one more setup. Let's create a catalog first. So once this agreement is on open status, let's create a catalog functionality. There is a three types of catalogs, right? One is for local catalog, punch out catalog, information. What is local catalog? The items are created on the application level. The items are created on application level. Okay. So by using that items, if the requester is creating the requisition, we call it as a local catalog. Now it is an open status. By using this local application items, right? If the requisition is created, we call it as a local catalog. Right. So let's see how we can create that. Now let's go catalog. Manage catalogs. Click on this. Click on this, create local catalog. So procurement BU is this. Now I'm using Tata local catalog. Right. If, for example, Tata employees, they need any material, right? They are using this catalog. Include the items from all agreements, include the items from any specific agreement. If any specific agreement, system is asking what is your specific
Giri,
agreement.
your voice is not clear.
I think I'm connected with the mobile network. This network is issue. Tim, now can you confirm me? Hope you are able to hear me. Just confirm me. Okay, it's a simple setups. Net is also just a minute. Just a minute. Voice is not clear. Okay, just yeah. Just confirm me. Now you are able to hear me.
Yeah, Askari.
Yeah, thank you. So we created one agreement, right? Just add this agreement. Okay, click on apply and okay. So whatever this agreement level category is there, that category will be comes on catalog level, right? So here you can use include all items, master items, or any specific category, or any specific category. Include items for any specific category. Already our category is there, right? Use that category HP. Okay, use this. Now click on save and close. Right, catalog is created. Is this enough? Catalog is created. Is this enough? No. Right, this catalog is containing to the content zones. Let's go to the manage content zones. Right, so click on here, manage content zones. From the manage content zones, you can create one content. What is content zone? Content zone is containing of all the self-service procurement related task. For example, you created smart forms, you created shopping list, you created some catalogs. So finally, your content zone is containing all these self-service procurement related catalogs and smart forms, shopping list, right? So this is also controlling with, right, for any specific business unit. For example, these catalogs are only for specific business units. This catalog is only for specific user. This catalog is only for some specific location. Right? We can control by using the security also in the content zones. Right? So Tata content zones. So where we can contain this is like I called um, containing all the self-service procurement related information from here. Okay, click on this. So what is our catalog? So our catalog is Tata local catalog. This catalog is already containing with agreements and right shopping list is not created. This is available for all the BUs are secured by one BU or secured by worker, secured by delivery location. We can control like this. Okay, save and close. Now click on them. Refresh. Okay, let's go and create a requisition by using this catalog, right? Requisition, purchase requisitions. So where is our catalog? Computer and accessories. You will see here, computer and accessories. Our catalog. Click on this. See, under this computer and accessories, there is a description. Click on here, add to cart. So click on here, view cart. It's very simple. By using this catalog functionality, just selecting the item and clicking on that item like this. Amazon. Select this item. You are adding to cart, right? Same way, the same functionality. Select the charge account related distribution is the issue here. Okay. So select this item and submit. And submit. Okay. So just a minute. So previous requisitions, you must query your item and select your item and adding to cart. But here you don't have such functionality automatically as for this catalog functionality. Okay, so you are getting easily on your item. Search the combination. So after the requisition is created, automatically it is converted to the purchase order. Why it is converted to purchase order? Because there is an agreement, right? There is an agreement, automatically it is converted to purchase order. Okay. Click on view approvers and submit. Self approve. Submit. Okay, now the requisition is created. So normally the requisition is created, now computer and accessories, normally the requisition is created by entering this, enter the requisition line. But whereas in the catalog and category functionality, you are clicking on this, you are clicking on this, there is a multiple. Clicking on this, just like this. Okay, add to cart, and create a requisition. Like this, add to cart. Okay, that's what the functionality of catalog category hierarchy by using the local catalog functions. There is a one more requisition page. This is the classic page, ADF page, right? You see here our computer and accessories. Okay, so categories, which is comes from here. If you want to search computer and accessory, HP laptops, you see HP laptop. If you click on the HP laptops, here also you see brand. You want to maintain the brand like this. Where is the brand? From here. Where is the brand? Just printers. See brand, brands, HP, Canon. You can also maintain the brands from here. Brand, price range, right? Price range. Okay. So same here. Price range. You want to add one more? You can add. Right. So this is the way how we can maintain our catalog category hierarchy for the using of local catalog and create a requisition. Create a requisition. Tomorrow we'll see for remaining functionality. Right. What is that? Punch out catalog information, smart forms. Right. This is only for today's session. Tomorrow I will complete this. Okay, self-service procurement. So today this all setups are there, right? That is the reason it is taking time. Tomorrow this is not much time taking. Okay. Any doubts on this?